Hello folks, L.A. Little here with a quick review of last week's action and some ideas about the coming one. Look at the gains on the week. This market just refuses to fold, it just keeps coming back. Of all the sectors in this market, the only one that broke was the mags, right? The large cap tech stocks. They broke down, changed trend to sideways, right? This is on a weekly. And now they're popping back up into the retest, regenerate zone, which is off this swing point low. Now, that's what should happen, so nothing surprising there. While the U.S. stocks struggle, the world is trouncing us. Look at the gains across almost every world index. Even though we still have a range, that range is starting to get extended on the MTTFs. And if we look at the actual chart, you can see here, it has been tested 4 times on both sides now, and so I would think pretty soon you're going to get a break to the top side or a break to the downside, and either way, right, there's a lot of stops that have accumulated on both sides now, which means you're going to get a more violent push when it happens. Gold and silver still shine. Here's gold trying to break out. This is kind of a key spot. It's got to make a decision. You know, is it going to break that little range it's been in? It's been the strongest of the two. Silver a little bit weaker. And my risk on indicator remains bearish. That is Bitcoin. It marked the top back in September of last year, late September, early October, and it has been down ever since. Lots of level of supply up above this thing. So if it does rise, a lot of sellers are going to be up there. My take here is probably the same as yours, and that is that this market stuck in a range, going sideways. What you should do is stay out of trouble at this point. Work on your watch list and be ready for when it breaks, because when it breaks, you're probably going to get a more violent move. That's it for this week. Have a great one. I'll see you next time.